From my 4 years of investment experience, I learned that investing is all about timing. Because no matter what you buy, you want to buy low and sell high. Now, how do you do that? I made $1,000 by investing in stocks in a month, and I wanted to share my step-by-step strategies of how I made my investment decisions. So if you're even slightly interested in investing your money into stock market, you don't want to miss this video. I have over 4 years of experience of investing in Korean market, US stock market, and also cryptocurrencies. And I'm going to share every detail that I learned from my experience of how I make my investment decisions. And we don't want to lose any money, right? So we are going deep with 7 steps. So which factors do you think it determine the price of a stock? Company's profit or their financial report? The stock price is all about supply and demand. When people want to buy the stocks, the price goes up, and when people want to sell the stock, the price goes down. So how can we predict these changes of supply and demand? I'm going to reveal the secret of market price with my 7 steps. So keep on watching. And your time is important, so watch this video faster. Hi guys, I'm Jade, and I want to ask you a favor to vote for my new channel name. Right now, my channel name is Make Money Online Challenge, but I wanted to change it to one of these options. Number 1, Make a Million Challenge. Number 2, $1 Million Challenge. Number 3, $1 Million Mission. Or number 4, I would love to know any other recommendations. So please leave the number and the name of the channel and the comment below that you want to vote. As you already know, I decided to become a millionaire by making money online. And thank you so much for loving my last video. I'm really glad my experience on making and selling ebooks helped you guys, so I wanted to make a video of sharing my experience on buying and selling stocks to make profits. So if you haven't invested any money yet, that's good, because the market is kind of crazy right now, so it might be better to stay safe at the moment. But even with the recession, I highly recommend you to invest even a little bit of money and learn how to invest. Remember, there's no investment without any risk, but according to this all-time best-selling book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, investing your money can help you achieve your financial freedom faster than just saving your money into your bank account, and I strongly agree on that. Long-term investment is better than long-term savings. So stop drinking Starbucks coffee and start buying Starbucks stocks. Before we go into this video, this is not a financial advice. Investing is always better in the long term. ETF can be safer than investing in stocks. Always be careful with investing your money because the market is brutal. Number 1. Don't invest in the company with less than $10 billion market cap. I only invest in the stock with the market cap larger than $10 billion because we don't want to lose our money by investing in a small unknown company that might disappear in a very short period of time. So definitely get rid of all the small companies that worth less than $10 billion in market cap. To see if their market cap is big enough, let's go to Ripple. We simply type the name of ticker of the company. You can see that Apple's market cap is $1.38 trillion. And Zoom market cap is $46.71 billion. So 10 billion is actually a quite low cut line. So if you want to be super safe, feel free to make that market cap cut line up to like $50 billion or even $100 billion, and you'll still have tons of companies to invest. Number 2, check their dividend growth. In my personal opinion, dividend growth is the best way to find out if the company's financial situation is stable or not. For example, during this pandemic, some companies suspended their dividends like Boeing, Marriott, and Delta, and many other companies suspended their next dividend simply because they don't have enough money. On the other hand, there are some companies that increased their dividend during the pandemic, such as Apple and Johnson & Johnson. To check out their dividend history, go to dividend.com and type the company's name, and we will scroll down to dividend payout history. Then we click all, and you'll be able to see their dividends growth in a second. Even during the 2008, the Great Recession, they paid out their dividends. So we can say that they are much safer than the other companies that suspended dividends from time to time. I mean, they sell Tylenol around the globe, so that one single product can save the company for a lifetime. Number 3, check their price analysis. Now we know the company that you want to invest in is large enough so they will not disappear in a short period of time and has a strong financial situation with the dividend payout history. Then we check out their price analysis to avoid buying the stock at a high price. We go back to Webull and type a company's name, and if we go down, you'll see the price target. This is not 100% accurate. Honestly, when it comes to investment, nothing is reliable 100%, not even Warren Buffett. But this can help you to avoid the buying stocks from the highest price. So if the price is below the low target price, that's the best. And the lower than average price target is still good to go in my personal opinion. But when the price is above the average price target, I will probably wait until it comes down closer to the low price target. In this way, there's a higher chance to buy low and sell high and make some profit out of it. After checking the price, you might feel a bit more comfortable and more confidence that you can buy the stock that you want, but not just yet. Remember that I told you that we were going deep? We have 4 more steps to go. By the way, if you're still watching, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. It helps me a lot. And if this video do well, my next video will be the 50 best stocks and ETFs to invest. Number 4, check 2 indicators. From my 4 years of investment experience, I learned that investing is all about timing. Because no matter what you buy, you want to buy low and sell high. Now, how do you do that? There are 2 indicators that I always check before I trade, and they are MA Cross and RSI. Let's go to the tradingview.com, search your company, and click Full Featured Chart. Then we click the indicator on the top, and we're going to add MA Cross RSI. Stands for Relative Strength Index. So for MA Cross, all you have to know is the golden cross and death cross. Golden cross is where the shorter moving average crosses up through the longer moving average. When this happens, the trend and price will likely to keep increasing. So it's a good sign to buy the stock. On the other hand, the death cross occurs when the short-term average trends go down and crosses the long-term average. It's basically going in the opposite direction of the golden cross, which means it will likely to go down further. So when you see the death cross, you might want to consider selling your stocks and maybe buy them later again. And for the RSI, it simply tells you if the stock is overbought or oversold in the current price. So when the RSI is at over 70%, the stock is more likely to be overbought at the moment, so you probably don't want to buy more stocks there. But when the RSI rate is at below 30%, it means that the stocks are oversold, so you might want to consider buying more stocks at that point. But again, none of this is financial advice, and nothing works perfect in the investment world. So please don't rely on them 100%. I studied a lot of indicators, but in my personal opinion, these 2 indicators were the most helpful features for me when I choose when to buy and sell the stock. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys, and hopefully it can help you guys too. Number 5, check trading bots' opinion. There are 2 trading bots that I use, investing.com and swingtradebot.com. Let's go to investing.com first. If you search for your company on the investing.com, click on technical. Then you can see their technical analysis by time. So when you check this daily, weekly, monthly, you can see that Johnson & Johnson is better to buy few days later when all the daily, weekly, monthly analysis say buy. And let's check out the second one, Let's go to swingtradebot.com. Then you type company's name or ticker and click Analyze your stock. Now you can see the similar result. It says in the short term, it might go down, but the long term, it might go up. So what I would do is to wait until the short term, intermediate term, and long term to turn green, and then I'll maybe consider buying the stocks. But not even these trading bots can anticipate any crisis or sudden recession on the market. So please be careful using it and do not trust them 100%. Number 6. Read at least 3 news, or at least the title of the news. And sometimes I get lazy and I only end up reading the titles. But still, it's really important to know what the other experts say about the stocks that you want to purchase. In Webull, right below the analyst price target section, we have news section. So go ahead and read some news that you want to read and find out if your stock is actually worth investing your money. Number 7, imagine the long term. So even though we check the market cap, dividend history, price target, MA Cross and RSI, trading boss opinion, and the news, still we will not know for sure if the price will go up or down. So before investing, I want you to ask yourself, am I comfortable with buying this stock and just holding it for 5 years without doubting that my money will disappear? For example, if I ask myself, am I comfortable with buying Apple stocks and just leaving it for 5 years without worrying about losing my money? Then my answer will be yes, I am comfortable with that. But if I ask myself, am I comfortable with buying Zoom's stock and hold it for 5 years and not worry about losing my money? Then my answer will be no. Zoom is great. I used it a lot when I used to work for the tech startup, but Zoom is a relatively small company with some technical issues to fix and a lot of competitors at the present and in the future. So please ask yourself this question before you invest in any company. Alright, we went deep with 7 steps that I go through when I make my investment decisions. I hope it helped because it does help me. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your valuable time, and I look forward to see you guys again soon. Bye!